Let's learn 20 phrasal verbs along with their meanings and sentences. Okay, so the first one is breakdown. It means stop functioning. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. Next is bring up. It means mention a topic or raise a child. For example, she always brings up her childhood when we talk. Call off means cancel something. For example, the event was called off due to the rain. Next one is carry on. It means continue doing something. For example, even after the interruption, he carried on with his speech. Next is come across. It means find or met by chance. For example, I come across on an old photo album while cleaning. Drop off. Drop off means deliver someone or something. For example, can you drop me off at the situation, please? Figure out. Understand or solve something. For example, it took me hours to figure out the math problem. Get along. It means have a good relationship. For example, the two sisters get along very well. Give up. Give up means stop trying or surrender. It means, for example, after several tries, he finally gave up. Hold on. Wait or grip tightly. For example, hold on for a minute, I will be right back. Look after. It means take care of someone or something. For example, she has to look after her younger brother. Look into. It means investigate or examine. For example, the police are looking into the robbery. Make up. It means invent a story or reconcile. I am sorry I made up that excuse because I was late. Pass out means faint or lose consciousness. For example, he passed out from the heat during the marathon. Pick up. Lift something or learn something quickly. I will pick you up at 6 p.m. for the party.